Awesome. Awesome. All right. So we're going to start. Let's not keep everyone waiting. Let's not keep everyone waiting. So hope we're all having a good weekend so far. So what we hope to achieve today is dashboard build. Last 2 weeks, we were able to work on the sales, those sales questions. So I'll briefly share my screen so that we can see the sales question that we worked on. Just one moment, I'm bringing it up now. So last 2 weeks we were able to sort out the sales view. So we're going to quickly do the finance view so that finance team report so that we're going to have two views. Then I will show us how to design our dashboard in Power BI, how to connect it to Power BI service via a workspace. You know, if you go through your what's it called now, the curriculum, you'll notice that something was talked about Power BI service. So ever since the beginning of this program, if you remember, when I initially wanted to carry out the Power BI service, some of you, it was then I noticed that Novi Pro does no longer offers a free work email, because without a work email, you would not be able to share an interactive dashboard, because whenever you post on the internet, it's always good, or even in your resume, it's always good to include an interactive link to your portfolio so that your interviewer can be able to interact with your work, get to know your your thought process, but if you just show them a still report, you know they would not fully appreciate the process and the strategies you put towards it. So when I'm good, I've already logged into my own. I have a work email. So I am still researching to see if any other company but I've not found if any other company is provides a work email for for the purpose of sharing your dashboard. I recently tried out Mervin Analytics, but they also do not provide. They provide you a portfolio, a free portfolio to host on their site. So when we get to that, we'll talk about it. But this is just like an introduction. So let me share my Power BI. Let me share Power BI. So you'll see that I am logged. So when you sign in, look, I'm already this is my work email. So I'm already signed in. So when you sign in, um when you're signing in for the first time, it will prompt you. It will say to create a new account. When you do that, they will now send you a sign-in password. So now with that sign-in password, you will now try to sign in again. You input the password. The next page that will show you is prompting you to create your own password. So you now type in the first one, type in the second one, and send. Then you'll now see that it will no longer be showing you sign in, but your work email. All right. So with that, you will now be able to publish it on the internet. You would see, Oluwaseun, I will show you how to do it correctly. To do it correctly on the free account is using the embed option. Okay, so we'll see all that. So that is a rundown of what we intend to achieve today. This I am looking at is a practice that I practiced with. So let me close this and open a new one. Sorry. Just hold on. So what we're going to do, we're going to create pages that will have a home page. So this is where I'm going to create a home page. I'm clicking on this. All right. Now I'll click and drag so it comes first. I'll right click and then I'll say rename. That is home page. All right. Home page. Now this, I'll duplicate this because the table we'll need for the finance view is here. And then I'll rename this finance department. Finance department. All right. Then this, excuse me, this I'm going to rename sales department. Sales department. Sales department. Now for the home page, okay, then info page. Info page. Info page. Info page. All right. So now what we're going to do, we're going to introduce icons on this home page. Now there are particular websites that I use for icons. So we're going to look for icon for home, going to look for icon for sales department, going to look for icon for finance department, going to look for icon for information page. So we're starting with the home page. Meanwhile, let me click on save. It will show me today. Last time it was saved was 31st of August. So I just clicked on save now and it has turned to today. So now, here is the website where I can get background. I'm going to share and show us. So this is where I get icons. Okay. Let me right click. I'm already signed in. So I would, the link to this would be in the, I'll send a link to this in the chats box now. So this is where I get icons. So we're on the icons page. So these are different icons. This thing is in my way. Good. So this is what it looks like. I'm already signed in. So I'm already signed in. So this is the link. I'm pasting it in the chat. So this one is for, where is chat? So for icons, just placed it in the chat. So now this is icon. So I said again that we're looking for icon for home, which we'll download. So let me type home here and see what it will show us. Home. Yeah. Now on that tool, then there's this one is background. So this is a background I would want to use. This one. Where is that background? Yeah, I think this is it. I had previously gotten a background which I've downloaded. So let us start with the background. Okay, no, let's download all we need first. So home page. What will contrast with white? when you're doing design, you need to look at your color scheme. So can you all see this? Now this is what I use. I'm copying this as well to place in the chart. What I use for now, this is color scheme, placing in the chart, color scheme. So now we're using a white background. So what should be the color of our icon to give a good contrast? Any, okay, white, any of this will be good. Any of this will be good. Blue will also be good. So we could use blue. Blue contrast with white. So back to icons. So these blue icons look okay. And so let me see. I think this, yes. Let's download this. You see SVG, you need a premium account, but what we want is PNG. So it has downloaded. So we have our PNG home. Let me click on it to confirm. Yes, I have our PNG home downloaded. Attribute, you can see what it's saying. Attribute this icon. It means that when you're doing your posts about since it's a free account, when you're doing your posts about this about your design, since it is free, but at least give them credit. So that's what they mean by attribute this icon. Okay, so we've gotten for home. Next one we need to get for is for sales department. So let me type in the search bar store. Mind you, under options, see icon, static icon. I don't want animated, I don't want sticker. So these are options that you choose for icon, static icon. Okay, so store, and I hit enter. Store. So store. We storefront now looks more like what we could use. Remember we're working with blue. I think I like this. So I'm downloading this PNG. Did I say store? Yeah, sales department. So that's why we need a store icon. Okay. So that's for sales department. So finance. Let's see if they have anything for Naira sign. It just occurred to me, oh, Naira, but they wouldn't. Okay, they do. Beautiful. So finance department. Finance. Okay. Finance. So let's go with this. Download PNG. Finance. And then information. What sign would depict information? Info page. Let's see. Information. Information. Yeah. Yes. Information. So downloading this. So we have our 4 icons already downloaded. So let me copy them and place them in our folder. So Control and X, placing it in our folder. I will create a folder for TNTV and call it icons. Icons. Yes, so we have our icons. The background, yes, white background. On that folder, background. I had previously downloaded it. I can't trace where exactly, but it was from this same site where I downloaded it under background. Let me show us. So this is for icons, this is for backgrounds. So I think this is the background I used. Yes, this is the background. Yes, you can see it has an emboss kind of confirm if you can see the texture of the background. Just a thumbs up. Nobody can see the texture of the background. Okay, good. Believe. Thank you very much. Yes, so this is the background I downloaded. So let me take us back to Power BI. So we're back to Power BI. So for the background, all right. So we click on our, this is the home page. So we click on the view, go to see where I went to. See, I clicked here. From here, I clicked here. Under visualization, it's showing build visual. So I now select format your report page. Now, note that I am already signed in, so that once we're done doing our build, I will now publish. Look at it here. Publish this report online in the Power BI service, okay? So click here, and then come here, click on Canvas background. All right, click on Canvas background, and then let me minimize this chat window. Now go to browse. All right, desktop, TNTV, SQL class, background. Yes, but something happened. Good. It has, have you noticed that it has changed? But we are not seeing it. Why? Because the transparency is still set on 100%. So when we reduce it, can you see our background is now showing? Okay. Our background is now showing. Canvas setting, vertical alignment, middle. I'm just trying to, yeah, okay. Type, canvas background, color, fits, better. Did you see what I did? It was showing normal before. This is just showing one aspect of it. So now adjust to fit. All right. Now the whole view is now showing. All right. So we'll do the same thing for the sales department. Okay. I'll do the same thing for the sales department. Go to background, click and open. Okay. Wait for it to switch. I hope we can all see what I'm doing. Please confirm that you can see what I'm doing.
Yes, I can see, sir.
Okay, good. Now transparency. Okay. Transparency 100%. Okay, we didn't change that. Okay, good. It's on 100%. Then fit as well. All right. So that's good. So home page, be sure. Okay, transparency 0. Okay. Change this to 0 as well. Yeah. So you can see it's showing in the background. If you look closely, you will see it. Let me close this. Good. You can see. Yes, I want to view later. You'll see. Hope you can all see in the background the relief this thing. So next one is finance department. Do the same thing. Browse, select, wait for it to load. Image fits, transparency, yeah. And then our info page, browse, white background, wait for it to load. It has loaded, fit, transparency, yes. So we're good. So now let's now go back to the home page. So now insert image. All right. So we'll go to where our icons are. And I'm going to click on all, Control and A on all of them. Okay, we'll have to do it one by one. So can you see this is the first icon? All right. So go to image again, bring in the second one. Second one is here. Go to image again, bring in the third one. Third one is here. Go to image, bring in the fourth one. Fourth one is here. But they are very big. So we're going to reduce them. All right. So you can notice that there are grid lines that are helping us to align them. Okay. Meanwhile, before I continue, any questions so far? Any questions so far? Oh, sir.
Question.
Okay, so you have a question or no question?
I have a question.
You have a question? Okay. Okay.
I'm sorry, my question could seem like I'm taking us back, but I don't really know what we want to do with all of this.
Now, this is what we want to do. We are building our dashboard. Okay.
All right.
Your dashboard is meant to be interactive. Your
Yeah.
dashboard, like I said, there's a difference between dashboard and reports. What all of you have been doing, at least all the distance I've been seeing are all reports. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, are all reports. There's supposed to be a dashboard, and the dashboard is stored in the cloud. All right. Your dashboard, in the real world, when you're working as an analyst, that's why it is said, the skills that you hear Sir Victor saying sometimes, your communication skills. You need to be able to, most of the times, most persons who are data analysts, they focus so much on the tool skills, but you should also look at those other soft skills. They're also known as transferable skills, because whatever you do, if you cannot communicate it to the business owner, then you're just wasting your time and you're wasting your employees' time. All right. So after you have done your job and gotten your insights, this stage now is the stage of preparing your dashboard, communicating what you have done. All right.
Okay.
Yes. So this is also key. Knowing how to present and work on your dashboard, on your insight, to make it user friendly. You know, when they talk about, when you look at job posts, you see them saying ability to make user friendly, highly interactive dashboards. You get? So that's what we're doing now.
All right,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Any other question? Okay. So we'll move on. So click and drag. All right. And then when you click and drag, all three are highlighted. Okay. So go to home, format. All right. Format. Now but before we start aligning, let's reduce the size. So note that the image is still selected. So we go to general. You can also play to view scaling, normal, action. We'll come to action later, not now. But general first, want to reduce the size because they are looking too big. So normally, industry standard size of icons, general properties, all right, is 120 by 120. That is square. So 120, 120. Okay. Yes. So let's see position. That's okay. Padding. That's okay. Now, under advanced options, okay, where we need to go to now is effects. Let's see, effects. Under effects, I would like to see visual. Now, as I'm going to do what I'm going to watch the icons to see. It already has rounded edges, so there's no need to do rounded edges. There's an option for rounded edges. But what we're going to do is visual border. So visual border, or maybe we'll just, okay, visual border. Oh, let's see. Let's toggle this. It's already rounded edges. So let's see shadow. The shadow effect is good, which means we need to introduce our rounded edges again. So visual border, rounded corners. Look at where we have rounded corners. Under visual border, rounded corners. Okay. So normally option of 7 looks okay. Let me see. But let me increase it a little. Or nah, no. Let me leave this one as 1. Then change this one to 7. Yeah, let me see. Is it looking like what we want, or yes? Yes. Yes. So now, next thing to do is, remember when we talked about the formats. Now see format. Once you see, if you don't click on it, format will not show. Look at this. But once you select all right, format now shows. So click on formats, align. Let's see, align to center. Nope. Control and Z. Nope. I don't want that. Distribute horizontally. Yeah, so now they're all the same distance. So hold on, let me just shift a little so that we can have, yeah. So now click again and say distribute horizontally. Format, distribute horizontally. Yes, good. So this is better now. Someone's mic is on. You want to ask a question? Now, I remember I said something about action. So we're going to do the action now. This is where we're going to do the action now. You click on each icon, okay? And then turn on action. All right. Now, see, when you click on this arrow, it now pops out. Now, what is the action? Action type. Action type is page navigation. Okay. All right. Page navigation. The other actions, just like if you want the icon to take you to a queue question and answer. Sometimes you will see a job description that says ability to build dashboard to give question and answer for question and answer session. Now, when they talk about that, this is what they mean. So you could include an icon that will lead to a Q&A page, a Q&A and a Q&A interaction. Okay, you can explore all that, on yourself. Now, today, what we're doing right now is to show you page navigation. Okay, so page navigation. Clicked on it. Destination. Okay, destination. Click on this. Destination none. Okay, that's for the home. This one is home page. Actually, we don't even need a home icon here. Where we need the home icon is when we are on the sales page. Okay, so we'll copy this and place in the sales page once we are done, because we don't need a home icon here. Where we need home icon is sales page, and then all other icons, because we'll have the icons on the side here. So you can from any page navigate anywhere you're going to. All right. So, but action is on this one, but the action is none. So this one now, turn on action. Okay. Click on a drop down. Action, page navigation. Okay. Destination, info page. Okay. Info page, and we're done. So now if you want to see it, now see what's going to happen. Did you notice what happened? It took us to where? The information page. Okay. So let me come back here. I'm back to the home. I'm clicking on it. All right. So our icon is working now. Just in case you're wondering, are we still, is it design we are doing? That's the power of Power BI. So the job is to make your dashboard interactive. So we're done. And to make that move, see what is showing you, control and click. Okay, you can see control and click. If you just click, nothing will happen. Okay, so it's when you hold down control and click, that is when it takes you, holding down control, click, it takes you to the info page. So do the same thing for sales, the Naira sign, that's sales department. Okay, so turn on action, click on it, page navigation. All right, destination, sales department. Okay, no, finance, sorry, this is finance department. This is finance, and this is what was this one supposed to be? We're to have information,
The
sales.
first one is sales. It's for sales
Okay,
department.
Okay, this one is sales. Then this one we're supposed to use finance, right? Okay,
That's
this is
finance.
finance.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, finance, correct. Okay, good. Finance. So let's test it. Control, click. Yeah, it took us to finance. Okay, so back to home. And then this is now sales. Click, turn on action, click, page navigation, destination, finance department. Okay, so let's test.
Destination is
Yeah,
sales department. The destination of that one is sales department. You have
of
done
this one.
finance.
Okay, sales department.
Yes.
Okay, I've done finance. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, sales department. Yes, so sales department. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, so control and click. Yeah, sales department. So our icons are working. So now next thing now is now to, like I said, this home, this one would go to, will come here. So what we should do now, another thing we should now do is to have a description underneath, so that we won't get as confused as I was almost getting confused. So see where I went to. Go into text box. And when you're doing your design, it's better to use a mouse. Some may prefer to use keyboard, but once you start working on this with time, you realize that it's difficult to um to um to work with your mouse pad. So this is information page, information page. All right. Font size 14. Font size 14. Bold. Information page. Yes. You click to move. You can see how it's centralizing it. You saw that red line. That red line is to tell us that it's in the middle. Now click on this, and then we want it center. All right. So you can see the white background. So what do? Go to properties, advanced options, no, effects, transparency. Yeah, we like it like this. So you can see the transparency is set. What again? Information. Okay, good. Information. Now I now remembered something. Let me see where I kept the icon of Tech in Transit and Vividex. They are supposed to be somewhere up here. Okay. So just give me a moment. Tech in Transit, Vividex. Tech in Transit, Vividex. I'm looking for where I have the icon of where are you? Tech in Transit. I've seen Tech in Transit. Vividex logo. Where is Vividex logo? Control and C. Vividex logo. Logo. I'm creating a folder. One moment, you would soon, so that I can import the logo. So Tech in Transit logo. Looking for Vividex. Vividex logo. I cannot find Vividex logo. So we may just use only tech in transit for now. Okay. Well, you get the idea. So insert image logo. Yeah. So tech in transit. This is tech in transit logo for those who do not know. So yeah. So do this. Now is the time to use the powerful tool, copy and paste, Control C, Control C, Control V. That is, let me see. Hey. D. Copy. You can see how I'm even struggling even with my mouse. So Control and Z. Trying to duplicate this. It's not trying to do a shortcut to do Control and C, but no, okay, no problem. It wants us to keep creating it. So do another text box. I didn't want to be doing the same. So text box here. I am with mouse, and it is giving me a hard time. So what's going to be the title of this now? Classic model dashboard. Yes, this is a classic model dashboard. So classic model dashboard. Make this 16. Run it here. Okay, 16 looks small. Make it 18. Classic model dashboard 20. Bold. Yeah. 20 looks okay. Or should I make it bigger? Let's see.
You typed classic module.
You know now, me and English are not friends. Classic model. Classic model dashboard. So center I'm dragging it till I see a red line in the middle. It hasn't shown me. Okay. Yeah, good. So it's in the center now. So include the transparency. Sorry. Yeah. Put in the center. Effects, transparency, 100. Good. Classic model dashboard. So this is information page. I'm trying to, I don't know. The copy is not working. It's not copying. Control and C. Control and D. Control D. So we'll start doing it one by one, one by one, one by one. And I don't want to do that. So yeah, let's keep doing it one by one then. Do another one. Call it this one is finance department. Yes. Finance department. Finance department. Finance department. make it 14 like the other one. Bold. Yeah. Center. Effects. Transparency. And we're good. Next is sales department. Sales department. Sales department. Sales department. 14. Bold. Center. Drag on it. Minimize. Effects. Transparency. Yeah. So this is watch the alignments. Okay, see how it aligns together with the icon, and okay, so do that. So finance department, information page, finance department, sales department. Now a small on that text box again. So information page. Here you get your Q and A answered. There you have your Q&A answered. So Control A. You do this 12. The other one was 16. You make Q&A bold so that it catches the attention. All right. So effects, transparency. Yeah. You have your Q&A answered. Yeah. So do the same finance department. This thing should, instead of me, I'm trying to get it to Control C, Control D. Okay. So let's just continue doing it like that, the manual way. Since shortcut doesn't want to work. So finance department gets insight to sales rep performance. Sales rep performance over time. Okay. Control A. We use I think it's 12 sales rep highlights because that is one thing that's sales rep and customer performance over time. So sales rep and customer. Control B. Drag. Drag now, eh? Yeah. Effects. Good. Yeah, hope I didn't press Control spoil there. Are we still following? Let me hold on. Let me go back to. Okay, yes, Oluwaseun is still following. Okay. All right, good. Good. All right, good. So let's keep moving. Text box, sales department. To view office office location. Huh? Is it office location? No, to view sales performance matrix.
Hello, sir.
Or yes, Sir Victor.
Can
For
you activate
various
autosave on your Power BI? Is it possible?
yeah. It is sorry, options. Why I okay, I'll just be more intentional. Why I turned it off is okay, but let me see. Let me go to options and settings. Options.
I think you can do that later. I'm just curious, but
Okay,
then
okay.
so just
Okay,
so,
yeah.
like you said, you probably be more intentional so that
Yeah, so that the what happened before does not repeat itself. Performance.
yeah.
I don't know. Is performance me an English? I'm right clicking so that it gives me the correct spelling, but perform. Okay, FO. Performance matrix. Matrix. Yeah, matrix. Good. So sales performance highlights, so that once your end user just looks at it, it catches his eyes. Control and A. 12. Good. Align with what's on top. Align with the ones on the side. Beautiful. Sales performance matrix. Yes. Effects. Yeah. Good. Yes. Yes. But I don't know why I don't like it like this. Let me try this. I think this looks better. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now this is our home page. So now let's get to our sales department page. Just one moment. Sales department page. So we're going to sales department and we're going to pick and start working on, yeah. So sales finance view. Okay, now let's work on this. So first of all, the same thing we were doing all along. All right, general effects. I hope we are seeing where before somebody asks what did I do, let me click outside again. See, click on this what is this called? Who can tell me what this is called?
Yes,
So
yes,
what
sir.
is this called? Yeah, what is this?
Card.
Where did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, what is
Card.
this
Is it
called?
not
This
card
you
visual?
can see my cursor, right? Card
Yeah.
visual.
It's
Thank you
card
very
vision.
much. Thank you. Thank you. I wanted to be sure that everybody is still with me. Okay, good. So you click on the card visual, all right? Then you go to general under the visualization pane, okay? And click on general. There is visual, there is general, okay? Effects, transparency, okay? 60, but 1000, you may like it like that, you may not like it like that, but I think I like it like this, okay? Aha. So this is for the sales view. All this has to do with sales view. So it's now for us to now start rearranging our table, all right, and label it accordingly. So this is top 5. This one is for 1 2 3 4 5. Top 5 what again? Click on it to see. Yeah, top 5 customer and their names, okay? So this will come like this. Remember what I said about left to right, okay? Now, because we are with tech in transit, so what are you supposed to do so that when you're submitting it to your project manager, he will feel good, okay? What are you supposed to do? People. Okay, let me help you out. You introduce their logo here. So
Okay.
insert image, tech in transit and Vividex, but for consistency, let's see what size. Or you do this Control and C. Let's see if this would work now. Beautiful, it worked, so no need. So it chooses when to work and when not to work. You saw what I did, right? So that we are using the same size across, okay? I came here, I copied, and then I came here and did what? And pasted, all right? So now if you feel your page is not giving you what you need, you come back because we're supposed to have our icons here on the side. Remember what I said, left towards right, so that anybody on this page will see that, okay, or we can either do that or put it at the bottom. But it's better here so that they can see it. At the bottom should be for footnotes. Then here for icon. So, let's see. Let's see how we can make good use of office location. Okay. Office. Let's see the questions again. Hold on. Alternate and tab. Where is? Let me just quickly open the business. Yeah. Top 5 customers. Top 5 customers who have a hair. Then track shipment orders. So top 5 customers, we've identified that one. This is top 5 customers. Track shipment orders. This is track shipment orders. What's next? Track shipment orders. Performance of each sales representative based on total sales generated by customers. So let's look for that. Performance of each sales representative. This is, I've been at this one. Okay, this is this one. Reps first name, reps last name. That's this one. That's this one. So these 3 now. Anyone we don't need, we'll delete. Click and drag. So 1 2 3. I hope we are following what I'm doing. So 1, 2, 3. Identify which employee have handled the most order. Identify which employee has handled the most order. Employee order. This is employee. Total payments. Okay, that's employee order. This one. Okay, other payments. Okay, other payments. Then analyze distribution by orders, or distribution of orders by office location. Okay, good. So we now know. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Distribution order. Okay, good. So this one we don't need. So I'll delete. Customer details. No, that will be on that will be needed in the finance. So this one we do not need. So I'm deleting. Let us have space on our table. This one, total sale. This one we do not need. Delete. Beautiful. So so now this is more like it. Okay. Office location. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So this comes here. This other payments, office location. Then they drop down. Employee number. Status. This is for shipment status. Okay. So under this, you hope you still remember rename for visual. So we'll rename it shipment status. Shipment status. Okay. And save. Employee. I didn't say give me Q&A. What did I click now? Yeah. So good. Nope. Nope. Remove. Yep. I'm just arranging the now. When you're designing, another thing is have a mock design of what you want to do, so that now this is so that you are also guided. So this. So now we're now beginning to have the space that I was talking about. So this will come this way, and our icon will come here. So let's do Control and C. So this Control X instead. Control X. It shouldn't be here. Control V. But here it will be smaller. Or let's just see. Let's just work with it like that. Okay. Then C again. Control C. So in the finance department, this is needed. The shipments. Finance said something about all others along with their respective customers' contact details. Yeah. So contact details, that's this one here. So this is the only information we need in finance view. All other is going. Contact details, all other is going, but we'll leave shipment status. No, we don't even need shipment status. So delete. So this is a finance department. Yeah. So this is what finance wants to see. Then we don't even need this. We don't need. Okay, total payments. No, no, we don't. We don't. So delete. So what we need to now bring here is this. Control and C. Control and V. Then we bring this. Control and C. Control and V. All right. Then in the finance department, which other icon should be there? Let me see who will get this question. Apart from the icon we have now, which other one should I add here? Should we have here? Net and tab. Where is? Who wants to answer? Which other icon should we have there in the finance view?
Information.
Can we have the sales department icon?
Beautiful. Sales department icon. Yes. Sales department icon. Beautiful. Sales department icon. So so we'll carry Control and C. Control and V. No, we want you here. Aha. All right. So now for this, now and then in the sales department, we'll have the finance department icon. Finance department, Control and C. Control and V. Okay. So let's display properties. Sorry. Let me see what 100 look like. 100. Yo, good. It was looking too big for me. 100. 100. Yes. Good. So do the same here. 100. I hope who saw where I went to, Abby? 100. So same with this. 100. 100. Beautiful. So come back. Format and group. Okay? Group, so that when I'm dragging, my dragging will be making sense. Mouse, behave yourself now, eh? Sorry, I'm trying to. So that when you're doing it and it's not working, you wouldn't think. Let's go to formats. Better. It's all about shortcuts. You saw what I did, right? I clicked on it, select. Let me now ungroup. Formats, ungroup. I grouped so that to align, since it was refusing to drag. This one, at least, this one will drag ahead because I want it to be in the middle. Yes, so now this is the middle. Okay. Yes, so so for sales, now click and do what? Turn on action. Okay. And now what is our action? Page navigation. Page navigation, destination, home page. All right. Home page. And then this one, action turned on, page navigation. Did you notice something? I hope you all noticed something, that it copied together with all its settings. Power BI is very smart, so no need. So just to test, control and click, and it took us to finance view. Did you see it? Control and click, took us to sales view. Control and click, took us to home page. Okay. Who is not happy so far? Let me come back and check. Who is not happy? Raise up your hand. So we're all happy. What I'm doing now is trying to get fit. Okay, you can hear me. So you are not happy or you're happy? Which one?
Very happy, sir.
You're very happy. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay. So one more. Still have things to do. Well, okay. So our this thing is working so far. So this, it's now time to start working on this. Visual effects, general effects, and put it on 60. This one doesn't need to be completely transparent. 60, okay. And under property, no, visual, there is style preset. See what style preset will do. Okay, now it's on none. So I think I like none, but someone may like minimal. See minimal. Minimal introduces lines. Okay, bold header. All right. I hope you are seeing what's alternating rows. Okay, but I don't like all that. Contrasts alternating rows. I don't like that either. Flashy rows. Nah. So it depends on condensed. So it depends on what you want. So I would go with this. Yes. These I like. Then under values, fonts, put fonts to let's see, 14. Yeah, 14. Yes, 14. This is supposed to be top 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 14. Then header, column header, 14 as well. 14. Yep. Bold. Yep. I hope we are seeing what I'm doing. Text color, I want it black. Yep.
Yes, yes. I can
Good.
see.
Yes, so this, good. Total payments, drag this. Now total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So now, Bill Case was telling me something about shortcuts. See, how many of you know this? Format Painter, okay? Have you seen it? Format Painter again. All right. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Format Painter again. Format Painter again. Okay. It does not respect this one. So you just saw what we did, right? So we don't need to do it over and over again.
Okay, hello, sir.
Yeah,
So the formal painter means the effects on this first table, we are applying
exactly.
it on
I
every other
I
one.
apply
All
it on
right.
all the others. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Then I'm coming here now. I'll now click on this format painter. Okay. Then I'll come here. Let's see if it will work. It should work here. It should work. Beautiful. Power BI is very smart. So, yep. Yeah. So now, ideally, you should try to avoid scroll having to scroll on your distance, because it's not really ideal, but everything should be just at a glance. But because of the size of the data set, we can't really avoid that. Yes. Then one more thing, Control and C, classic model dashboard. Control and C. Control and V. Okay. You see, that thing that was refusing to work before, I don't know how come it's working now. Control and V. But that saved me a lot of wahala. Classic model dashboard. Yep. Okay. Classic model dashboard. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So click on this. Office location. Yes. Want it to align. Okay. Now let's do it this way. No. Leave this here and leave status. Yeah. So that doesn't cover anything else. Yep. Okay, good. We are making progress. This has a lot of information, so it would be nice if I could drag. Okay, can we take this up? Have this up. What I'm trying to do is to make ah nice. My mouse, so Beautiful. This is what I wanted. Now you can even do this, drag here, drag here. Yeah. Okay, good. Now, to increase canvas size, okay? Canvas setting. If you want to put custom, you can put custom, okay? And increase the height because we are struggling with space. So we can take it up to 900. All right. Have you seen it? So we have more space now. Width is okay. We need more height. Okay. So now go here, do the same thing. Custom 900. 900. All right. Leave info page as it is. Okay. We could increase it as well, or leave it entirely, because when you're in Power BI service, you wouldn't see these tabs. Okay, it's the way an app works. That is how your dashboard will work when you're in Power BI service. So this will allow us show as much information as we can. Okay. Footnotes, Control and C, and V. Yeah, it's behaving itself now. So why was it not working then? Power BI just made me so finance view. No, finance view. So do this as 14. Yeah. Yes. I think this is good. So Control and C. And V. Oh, yeah, now. Sales view. Sales. Any questions so far? Sales view. Yeah. Shipment status. Just putting finishing touch. We're almost done with our dashboard. Almost done. Almost done with our dashboard. Yeah. Just so we get the general idea. Yeah. Info page, we can fill, at least we have the whole idea. We can fill whatever information we need to fill here. Okay. But for now, this is the only information we would fill. For no, thank you for interactive. Thank you for interacting with this dashboard. Control A 14. Yep. Align good. It's in the middle, but that is not the true position. Yeah. Effects, transparency. Yes. Thank you for interacting with this dashboard. Is this in the middle? Yeah. Okay. Info page. Take us back home. So we'll copy home. Okay. Plan C. Plan V. Then Plan C. Plan V. Then Control and C. Plan V. Sorry. So select all, format, align horizontal, distribute horizontally. Sorry. Format, group, distribute horizontally. Hey. Align to the left. Thank you. Hold on. Beautiful. That's giving me what I want. On group. Now let's test. Control and click. Yeah. Let's go back to information page. Control and click. Yeah. Back to information. Okay. Okay. Info page from here. Aha, we need to add info page. Control and C. Info page. Control and V. Then we'll make the icon small. 100. 100. Yeah. Sorry. It's not giving me what I wants me to do it manually. Yes. Good. Control and C. Control and V. No. Yes. Good. Yes. So we can say we're done with our save. You can say we are done. So before we proceed to Power BI service, any question? No question. So we should go ahead.
Yeah.
So I am still signed in. So I'm going to go to publish. Power BI is working. And I say my workspace. Okay. Select. So you can see, let's just give it some time. Power BI is saving it to the cloud. You can see publishing SQL dataset.pbix to Power BI. So it's going to run in the background. And I didn't show you something. Okay, you can all see the screen, right? You can see, look down here. All this while we've been working in what? In desktop mode. Okay? Desktop mode. So anybody who is going to use his mobile to view it will have to turn it to landscape view. I didn't check this file, so it's currently uploading to Power BI. So today, so we've been able to do homepage. I have to use background. You know, I picked this embossed background. We now saw how to edit. You know, to make our dashboard look, to give you that that's what they call UI UX, user interface, user experience. So we're getting to the UX aspect now, the user experience aspect. Okay, we're done with the user interface. That's the UI aspects. Okay, it's still publishing. I don't know the size of the file, but it's uploading everything to the cloud. Yeah, success. Thank you. So now see, open this in Power BI. So let's click on this. Let me stop sharing and reshare because you people didn't see the screen that popped up. Let me show you the screen that popped up when. So this is the screen that popped up. You can see Power BI. Look at the link. All right. Can you see? Please confirm that you can see the link. This is Power App now. Okay.
Okay. It's only showing the Power BI icon.
Yes, it's still loading. When I clicked, it said successful. So I've now clicked on it. Okay. So it's loading the Power BI service now. Once it's done loading, we will see our dashboard. Okay, let's do this. So maybe someone would have a better. I'm putting the link in the chat. So try loading it from your own end. Okay, I'm putting it now. Let me reshare my screen. Now, when I click on this, that is what clicking on this would take us there. But let me just hold on. So I clicked on this. This is what loaded that this thing, that link I just shared with us now. But hold on. I'm still trying it in the background. Just give me a moment. So we can see our screen, right? You can see my screen now. So let me try and log into the workbench. Power BI service. Log in. Power BI service, log in. Guys, this is it. You can all see my screen, right? This is what I was expecting to load. I guess why it was, I don't know why. I want to log into my Power BI workspace. I want to sign in so that I will see the file. Good. So this is what I wanted to see. So work email, submit. I have a Microsoft developer account. So that's the account now I'm trying to sign into. But the cloud service is just misbehaving this evening. This one is about working. That's good. Yes. Good. Finally, something is working. Yes, please. We can see my screen, right? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes.
All right. So this is Power BI service now. Beautiful. This is what I was waiting for to see. All right. So now go to now what we uploaded, the SQL is supposed to be here, but it's not showing here. So where did it now upload to? It was supposed to upload it here. So when we go to home, so this is what the Power BI service looks like. Okay. So obviously it didn't upload here. It should have, what if it had uploaded here, we would have seen it here. And it told me it had uploaded. All right, we would have seen it here. You can see where my cursor is. You can all see it, right? So I think Power BI was lying to me when they said
Yes.
they uploaded. So once it uploads, it's here. It comes here. Okay, let me click on this so you see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, okay? So if you want to share this, you go to File, all right, and you go to Embed Report. Who was it that Olua? You go to Embed Report and click on this, Publish to Web, Public. When you click on this, it will now load you a shareable link. So our SQL didn't load because this is where it should have loaded to, but it didn't load. I don't know why. All right, so which means you still have a share restriction. Good, it has finally loaded. So this is the link I'll now copy. You understand? Once you copy this link, this one here, this one is for a website, but this one is the one to share. Once you copy this, It's showing me a preview. So this is what it's going to look like. All right. You can see that those lower distance are not available. Instead, it is the icons I created that are showing. You can all see. Bilkis, sure you can see. So it's important to include an icon. Yes. So I will try again to upload. I think just something just went wrong in the background. So what will happen is I'll try to upload this one we worked on a second time, because this is my work work environment. So it didn't upload and it told me it uploaded. So I will try that. I'll try it again, and maybe during the week I would share this particular link. But this is where you get the link. You click on copy, it now say copy to clipboard. That is what you now share with everyone. Or this is what you now input in your portfolio. Now, let me just quickly show us what where we can get a portfolio for free. Okay, there is a place where you can get a portfolio for free. Where is that now? No problem. What will happen is you will get that link as well. So far, any questions? So if we don't have any questions, so let's prepare for our quiz next week.